everybody, my name is Siyu. I'm finalist studying History Bar in St. Peter's College, and this year I'm living St. Thomas Street Annexe. Let's go check inside. This annex consists of 4 floors. Each floor have a laundry room and at least 1 kitchen, so it's very convenient if you want to cook for yourself. Kitchen have almost everything you want. You have an oven so you can cook frosted food. For my kitchen, which I use often, I have 2 fridges. So for 8 people, it's very spacious. Each kitchen should have a large window for the sake of fresh air. If you live here, you're only 5 minutes walk from the college. I'm also 7 minutes walk from my department, so lucky for me. Welcome to my room. Every room should be ensuite, so you have your own access to bathroom. We have a large courtyard in the middle of the whole building, so half of the room should have a view into the backside courtyard where you can study and chat with people and have social events. We do have a common room which is huge. The common room itself is also close to your kitchen, so if you want to provide some snacks, some drinks for your party, it will be very easy. Thanks for stopping by. See you later.